Rocket Lawyer. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Rocket Lawyer aims to democratize legal services, offering an accessible platform for individuals and small businesses. Key features include a robust document library with customizable templates for various legal needs like NDAs, LLC formation, and employment agreements. Memberships unlock attorney consultations via phone or email, providing clarity on legal documents or situations. The Ask a Lawyer service allows users to pose specific legal questions and receive responses from attorneys within a guaranteed timeframe. Rocket Lawyer's strengths lie in its affordability and convenience. For routine legal paperwork and straightforward legal questions, it presents a significantly cheaper alternative to traditional law firms. The user-friendly interface and readily available templates empower users to handle basic legal tasks independently. Its accessibility makes legal help less intimidating for those unfamiliar with the legal system. However, Rocket Lawyer's weaknesses stem from its limitations. The attorney consultations are often brief and may not delve deeply into complex legal issues. While the document templates are comprehensive, they may not be suitable for highly specific or nuanced situations requiring tailored legal advice. The quality of legal advice can vary depending on the attorney assigned, and the platform primarily serves as a starting point rather than a complete legal solution. Rocket Lawyer is best suited for individuals and small business owners with basic legal needs who require cost-effective document creation and quick legal advice on non-complex matters. If you need intricate contract drafting, representation and litigation, or specialized legal counsel, a traditional attorney is still necessary. Consider Rocket Lawyer a helpful tool for preliminary legal tasks and information gathering, but never as a replacement for personalized legal expertise in critical situations. Ultimately, it's a valuable resource for those seeking affordable and accessible legal assistance, as long as its limitations are clearly understood and supplemented with professional advice when necessary. It bridges the gap for those who need legal assistance but can't justify traditional legal fees for simple matters. Understand your needs, weigh the pros and cons, and use it judiciously for optimal results.